Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup security camera logs for insurance with Ring. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your security camera logs for insurance using Ring, start by opening the Ring app on your smartphone. Sign in to your Ring account if you haven't already. Navigate to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Select devices from the options available. Choose the specific camera for which you want to back up the logs. Tap on Event History to view all recorded events. Scroll through the list to find the specific footage you need for your insurance. Once you locate the desired footage, tap on it to view the details. Look for the download icon or option, usually represented by an arrow or a download button. Follow the prompts to download the footage to your device. Choose a location on your device where you want to save the file. Confirm the download and wait for the process to complete. After downloading, consider transferring the file to a cloud storage service for added security. Check that the file is saved properly and accessible. If necessary, repeat these steps for any additional footage you need to back up. Review your downloaded footage to ensure it contains all required information for your insurance claims. Store the footage in a safe and easily accessible location. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.